Now come with me, let me show you how to create this kind of amazing sticker, either for your brand, for your business, or maybe you just want to have fun with it or learn how to create this kind of amazing WhatsApp sticker, just like the ones you are seeing right now in this video, and you can do it with ease. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do the video one and also how to do the image sticker. Okay, now all you need to do is to move over to your WhatsApp. You open your WhatsApp. So I'm going to unlock my WhatsApp now. So all right, okay, so you open your WhatsApp now. So once you open your WhatsApp, the first thing you need to do right now is to choose someone you want to send it to. Okay, so let me just say I enter this one here. Let's just say I enter this one here. Okay, so now let's just say I want to send this particular WhatsApp image to this particular person. So all I need to do, I'll click on it, then I will now come over to this place. Watch carefully, then come over to this sticker icon below, then click on it. Click on the sticker icon below. So once you click on it, then you can now come over to this place that say create. Okay, so click on this create, then click on the create. All right, so once you click on this create, all you need to do is now choose the kind of if you want to create the video aspect, you can go ahead and choose video, but if you want to create the picture aspect, you can still go ahead and do the same thing. Now before we move straight into creating these videos, let me show you how to source out both your video and also your image. Okay, now all you need to do to source out for your funny images or funny videos, first of all, you go over to TikTok, you open your TikTok, then you're going to download some clips from TikTok that we're actually going to use. All right, so once you open TikTok like this, then come over to the search bar, then search for laughing clip. Okay, look at it, laughing clip. So once you search for laughing clip, you're going to see so many clips here that you're actually going to make use of. Okay, so anyone you like, you can actually choose. All right, so now let's see. Okay, let's say I want to make use of this one. Now let's say I want to make use of this clip. All right, so all I need to do now, I need to come over to the share button. Then I'm not going to download it directly on TikTok because it will save the watermark. I'm not going to download it directly from TikTok because it's going to save the watermark on TikTok. Okay, so all I need to do, I need to download it in another external app, okay, which is Vidmet, and I love using Vidmet. It's very, very okay, very, very wonderful. So I'm going to download it from Vidmet. So if you don't know how to download a video without the TikTok watermark, in my next video I'm actually going to create a video and show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to do that. Okay, so once you come over to this Vidmate, all you need to do actually now is to allow it to open. Okay, so it's actually going to load the interface by itself. Okay, so it's done loading. Then the next thing we need to do, and the best part of this Vidmate, is that you can either download it on a music form or you can download it on a video form. So I'm going to click on a video form, then I'll click on download. So once I click on download, then just allow it to download. Forget about this ad that is showing is downloading already. Okay, so I'm going to skip all of these ads. Okay, then I'm going to skip all of this ad. It's not necessary. So the ads are too much, so I'm actually going to skip all of them. It's not necessary. Okay, then I click on done. All right, so let's see. All right, okay, it's done downloading. So this is the image here. All right, so this is the video here. Now is done downloading. Then this is just how to source out your video for your WhatsApp sticker. This is the way to source out your funny videos. Now to get your funny images, all you need to do is to go over to your search bar, to your browser, either Chrome or any browser that you're actually making use of. So, okay, then go over to the search bar, then you search for what's it called, you search for okay, funny clip, or I can search for what's it called, What is this man again? Okay, Sabinus. I can start search for Sabinus. Okay, Sabinus funny look. I can search for Sabinus funny look. Okay. Alright, so if you're not convinced with any outcome, you can now go ahead and search for and come out and remove the Sabinus. Okay, then you now click on funny looks. Alright, this is okay, this is amazing. Now this funny looks, you can actually select the one you want to make use of. Okay, there are so many funny looks here, as you can see here. There are so many funny looks that look so funny. All right, there are so many funny looks here, so you can actually choose anyone you want to work with, anyone you want to make use of. Okay, so now let's say I want to make use of this one. Let's say I want to make use of this one now. So all you need to do, you need to long press and download the image. Okay, download the image. Then let's see if I can look for another one. Okay, let's see if I can look for another one. Okay, now this one is still okay. Okay, I can long press, then I download. So what else? Which one again? Okay, now okay, I can choose to download this one. This one is still okay. So you see, so many of them are popping out. So many funny images are actually popping out. So you can see this one is still okay. So I can choose to make use of this one. I download. Okay, so once I download, then I am good to go. So the next thing you need to do is to move over to your WhatsApp. Okay, forget about my WhatsApp, it has a whole lot of securities. All right, so I'm going to Kokoma unlock it now. All right, my fingerprint is not working again. Okay, all right, so this is it now. Then you go over to the person, like you need to choose a contact that you can actually stay and create these particular stickers. Okay, so just choose any contact of your choice from your WhatsApp, then come over to your sticker, then click, look here that says create. Okay, all right, so all you need to do, then click on that. No, wait, let me go back. Now click on that create. Then once you click on that create, then you are actually going to make use of the video aspect. Okay, I'm actually going to make use of the video aspect, which is this one. Then I click on it. So now the best part is that you can trim out the parts that you don't like. Now let's just play this video and see. Okay, so I think this one is okay now, but if maybe you did a video or you did your own video with your face, so you can easily come over here, you trim out the exact place you want to use for your WhatsApp sticker instead of you leaving the whole thing. All right, so once you are done, then click on done. All right, so once you click on done, then the next thing you need to do, you need to come over here because we need to write something. Then you need to come over here, this alphabet icon there, then click on it. Then you can now write something. So let's just say okay, I laugh with your destiny. I laugh with your destiny. Okay, something like this. I laugh with your destiny. Then I can now go ahead and choose a red. Okay, something like this, a red color. Okay, so once I'm done, then I can now easily bring this below. Then I can bring this below. Okay, once I bring it below, then I can increase. Wait, I want to increase this. Okay, I want to increase my alphabet. Okay, all right, so this alphabet, I need to bring it more closer. Okay, something like this, or I can put it here, or I can put it under anywhere that is actually good for you, so that they will be seeing the video reactions and what is already written in there. Okay, so somewhere here. All right, so this is actually good, or you can choose to maybe cover, maybe bring it up. Okay, let's say I want to bring it up somewhere here. Okay, let's just say somewhere it's still okay. it's okay. So I can choose to increase with your two hands. You can zoom out and zoom in with your two hands. This is what I'm doing. I'm making use of my two hands to actually zoom in and zoom out. So it's okay like this. All right, so it's okay like this. Okay, so once you are done, you can now click on send. Now click on this send icon here. Click on this send icon. Once you click on it, it will automatically create your own sticker. You see preparing sticker. Okay, this is it. It's done preparing the sticker and it has sent as a sticker. Okay, now since this particular sticker has been sent, okay, the best part is that you can now go ahead and still edit the picture, as edit the sticker, I mean to say. Okay, now you long press. Now you can now come over here that says edit, move to top. Okay, all right, and you long press again, add to favorite. You can add it as your favorite and all of that. Okay, so now this is just how to create the video aspect. Now the same way we are going to create the sticker, the image aspect. Now click also on the create. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use this this image. Okay, so once you click on this image, so this is exactly how it's going to look like. Okay, so we don't want it to remove the background. So if you want your background to be removed, you can now click on the second picture below. Let me show you. Now there are two pictures here below here. There are two pictures. So the first one is the transparent one, which means that your background has been removed, and the second one is the full image, no background removal. All right, so click on the first image, then you zoom. Okay, you need to zoom. Once you zoom, then come over to the alphabet icon, then write whatsoever you want to laugh. Sorry, you want to write, I mean. Okay, okay, what am I going to write? Okay, I laugh from Russia. Okay, I laugh in Russia. I laugh in Russia, something like this. Okay, saying once you are done, you can now bring it down. You can now bring it down, or you place it anywhere you like. You can even place it here. It doesn't mean you can even place it here. Okay, here is okay. So once you place it here, then wait, let me place it very well. All right, so once you place it like this, you can easily send. All right, so once you send, you've created this particular sticker. Okay, so now let me go ahead and create one more. Let me go ahead and create one more, the last one. Okay, and we are done for this tutorial. So this is just the easiest way to do all of this. You don't need to stress yourself, and you can actually, the best part, you can actually create this for your brand. Okay, you can actually create this kind of a thing for your brand and for your businesses and all. Okay, so just be creative in it. So the same process, then I'll just say your future is a scam. Your future is a scam. So I love to make use of the red. Then I can easily bring it here. Then let me zoom. Once it's okay like this, I can bring it here. Then I will zoom. Then if I zoom, I will now place it here. Okay, so once you place it here like this, then you are good to go. Okay, you are good to go. So now you now click on what? You now click on send. All right, so once you click on send, this is it. This is how it actually looks like. Okay, so this is just how to create your own sticker without stress. All right, so if you really got value from this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe and share so that other people can as well benefit from this video, and don't forget to comment. Okay, so I'll be seeing you in my next video.